Hello everyone, this is Coach Connie Osorio, and for this video, we will be using our Neuracash to add subscription or top up on our IMG Soldivo Funds. So if you find this video useful, you can hit that like button and share it to our entire IMG community. And of course, if you're new to our channel, huwag pong kalimutang mag-subscribe. Okay, so again, let's start this video by using our Neuracash to add subscription or add an investment or top up on our IMG Soldivo Funds. Let's start. Just like our previous videos po, we are always introducing Neuracash. And Neuracash is again a very new IMG benefit, the number 39 exclusive benefits for IMG members. Our e-wallet facility, the Neuracash, we can receive IMG commissions through Neuracash, transfer funds, and of course, for this video, we will pay bills through the kiosk instantly. Ayan. And particularly, kung mag-pay tayo ng bills dito, we'll be using the bills payment of Neuracash. And of course, particularly, we will be using this as top up on Soldivo Funds. Okay? So, katulad din po ng mga previous vlogs or videos natin dito sa channel, marami tayong mga videos on how to set up Neuracash. On this particular video, we use the bills payment as well, the very first bills payment video for Neuracash dito po sa channel natin. And this time, ginamit po siya for accreditation renewal. Meron din po tayo for Kaiser Subpay. Again, dito po magta-top up tayo for our Soldivo Funds. Let's start with the two ways to access the Neuracash. Lagi natin sinasabi, dalawa po yung ways para makapunta kayo sa Neuracash. First is to log in to your IMG portal. Second is to go directly to neuracash.com. Okay? So, para makapunta sa portal, para po sa mga bagong members, all you need to do is to log in to img-corp.net using your ID or your agent code. You have to input that in your user ID and your password and then click the login button. At mapupunta tayo sa napakagandang IMG portal. All you need to do is to go to my dashboard. Ayan po yung portion na yan. And then, para makapunta sa Neuracash, andun lang po siya. Ayan, view the balance. It's very important to view your balance to know kung may sufficient fund ka para makapag-top up ka sa iyong Soldivo Funds. If you will look at this portion, okay, yan po yung may view portfolio, gagamitin natin yan later on. Okay, so ayan, pwede rin diretso sa neuracash.com, but if you click the view balance of Neuracash, dito rin kayo mapupunta. All you need to do is to click that download app button and then you will be forwarded to the login page. Log into your Neuracash. Kung hindi pa po naka-register, kailangan muna pong mag-register. Paano po yun? Meron tayong video for that, how to set up your Neuracash, how to register. Okay? So for those who already have registered, just click the login button and then use the email that you have registered and the password and then click the login button. Okay? And then ayan, mapupunta na tayo sa ating homepage ng Neuracash wherein makikita natin yung ating available balance dito sa portion na to. Okay? So if you have a sufficient fund, go ahead and go to our topping up or adding subscription to our IMG Soldivo Funds. Paano yun gawin? Dalawa din ang ways to add subscription. First is to go to this link or URL or address sa kiosk 2. Ayan po yan. Or you can log into IMG portal. Doon din po yung sinasabi natin kanina sa my dashboard. Since naka-open na tayo doon, pwede po tayo doon pumunta. Or pwedeng diretso sa kiosk 2. Sa kiosk 2 naman po, makakakita tayo ng ganitong page and you just need to go to other payments and then you will see there the first item for IMG Soldivo Funds. Pwede pong i-click yan. Okay? Or doon nga po sa ating My Dashboard on your portal, you can access that and then click that View Portfolio button over there. Okay? Ayan. Mapupunta tayo dito sa ating, what we call that, statement of account ng mga Soldivo Funds. Again, dalawa yung Soldivo Funds na pwede nating puntahan or paglagyan or i-top up. Ang ating pang long term, the strategic growth fund, and ang ating pang short term, which is the bond fund. Okay, meron din po tayong separate video on how to top up, not using the Neuracash, pero doon po natin in-explain kung ano yung difference nitong dalawang funds na to. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, magta-top up tayo Just click that add subscription button sa ilalim, okay? And then, mapo-forward tayo sa mismong kiosk to na rin. Kailangan po, unang-una natin gawin is to click that search button, okay? Para mai-input naman natin yung agent code. Your agent code is exactly your folio number as well. So, ayan po yung agent code natin. Pag in-input natin yan, lalabas yung search item. Kapag tama, pag in-input na natin yan, click nyo rin yung na-search natin. Tapos, magiging ganyan na siya. Para po sa akin, kiniklik ko uli yung search button para mapunta dun sa taas yung ating details. So, ang kailangan natin gawin sunod is to go to the funds. And then yung drop-down list natin, again, dalawa yung pwede natin paglagyan. So, just select your desired fund. In this video, click natin yung pang long-term. Of course, no, always think long-term. Strategic Growth Fund ang ating pinili. Tapos, if you have an intended amount other than 1,000, naka-default po kasi sa 1,000 yung amount. Okay, pwedeng gawin nyo pong higher than 1,000. So, kung okay na tayo sa 1,000, just click the next button. Okay? And then, napakadali. Next, para sa mga sanay na mag-bills payment, ano po, always, pag napunta tayo dito sa portion na to, you just need to supply your email address doon sa ating text box. And then, kung okay na tayo doon, just click the Neuracash bills payment. Ang pinakabago, diba, sa ating payment options. Okay? At pinakamabilis rin. Alright? Then after that, kapag napili na natin yung Neuracash, you need to input the necessary information. Lahat ng nakabox po na red dito, yan po yung mga required. And don't forget to tick or select this option button for Neuracash bills payment. And then pag okay na tayo lahat, just click the next step button. You will be forwarded to this form. Nandito actually yung instructions. Pero you need to carefully read kung ano po yung nakalagay dito sa 3 check boxes natin. Ang sinasabi lang natin dito, katulad ng mga ibang bills payment natin na ginagawa sa kiosk 2, kailangan lang po, once lang natin gagamitin yung reference number ni ePay at make sure na wala pong mali. Ano po, lahat ng ating information na ilalagay dito, walang mistake. Okay, so avoid committing mistake. And then, kapag okay na tayo, naintindihan na natin at nabasa na natin, just go ahead and tick that check boxes, those check boxes. Yan, naka-check na po lahat. And then, click the submit button. Then, magiging clear na yung payment instructions form. Just take note of the details and instructions. Particularly for our Neuracash, we need the biller name, the subscriber name, subscriber number, and the amount. Okay, kailangan po ay take note of that. Sa akin po, ginagawa ko is copy-paste. Ayan, para wala talagang kawala or wala talagang mistake. But if you're very new or you're just a first-time user of a bills payment, kahit po hindi Neuracash, kailangan po basahin natin dito. Pero yung step 1 to 3 na nandito, that's exactly the same instruction or steps that we will be using here in this video. But again, kung first timer nga po kayo, kailangan po maintindihan natin until the end doon sa form. Just read carefully until the important reminders. Again, ang pinaka-importante po dito, huwag magkakamali at hindi na po kailangang i-upload. Take note of that. Lahat po ng bills payment, other than Neuracash, like BDO bills payment, no need to upload po. Okay? Ayan. So kung okay na po tayo doon, let's go back to our Neuracash homepage and kailangan pupunta tayo sa bills payment. Pwede po dito at pwede rin dito sa portion na to. Iisa lang po yan. Okay? So kapag na-click na natin yung bills payment, mapupunta tayo dito sa ganitong portion. Just look for this red plus button. Ibig sabihin, mag-a-add tayo. Maggagawa tayo ng panibagong bills payment. Pag kinlik natin yan, magiging minus na siya. Okay? Lalabas na ngayon yung information na kailangan natin for that particular bills payment. At ang unang-una natin gawin is to click the biller name. Pag kinlik po natin yan, automatic makikita natin meron tayong option dito. Pero sa ngayon po, isa pa lang siya, International Marketing Group. Of course, no, sa IMG tayo mag-pay directly. So click that. Ayan, automatic, mapupunta siya dito. Alright? And then, supply the subscriber name. Ayan, yung nakita natin sa form kanina. Copy-paste para hindi po magkamali. Yun po yung suggestion ko talaga. And then, yung subscriber number is actually the epayph.ph reference number at yung amount. Okay, kung okay na tayo doon, dinouble check at hindi nagkakamali, exactly kung ano inilabas ng kiosk 2, and then go ahead. And then, ayan nga po, i-double check natin siya and then click the send button. Okay, kung okay na tayo, makikita po natin na hihingi na uli siya ng OTP or one-time PIN. So, enter the OTP sent to your email. This is the exact email that I've got. And then again, para hindi magkamali, copy-paste. Paste po natin dito. And then click the OK button. And then, ayan, makikita na natin siya. Yung transaction na ginawa nyo will be exactly reflected in the bills payment history dito po down below. Okay? Ayan. Pag okay na po tayo, makikita nyo rin po yung balance ninyo from your homepage na nabawasan na kagad. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, nag-push through na talaga yung ating transaction. You can also visit transactions and bills payment to see all the history. Okay? Ayan yung ating available balance. And again, have the attitude to always log out every after transaction that you've done in your Neuracash for security purposes. Okay? Makakakita tayo or makaka-receive kayo ng sample email notification with that same bills payment that you've done, exactly kung ano yung timestamp na ginawa nyo doon sa inyong bills payment transaction, yan din po yung transaction date makikita nyo. And nakakatuwa kasi the payment has been auto-approved by the system. And then just few minutes after that, you can visit your IMG Soldivo Funds. Makikita nyo dun sa details yung pinakahuling ginawa nyo, yun po for booking kagad. No? Ganyan po kabilis talaga yung Neuracash. Makikita nyo kagad, nakapost kagad. For booking pa lang, pero of course, ando na siya. Okay, all you need to do is to wait for the booking date and the number of shares na nabili ng inyong amount na tinap up. Okay? So, ayan po. Again, if you find this video useful, again, share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Again, this is Coach Connie Osorio saying use your Neuracash and enjoy adding subscription to your IMG Soldivo Funds. Again, everybody, enjoy your IMG membership benefits using Neuracash. This is Coach Connie Osorio saying God bless everyone.